All right, welcome back to the Oracle Disciples channel. We are in the BitSeven trading platform today. It is Thursday. It is the eve of option expiration Friday. You can see we're in this trade right now. We straddled at the 10,400 level. We are at 10,459 plus 20 on plus 30%, still rolling. Again, coming off the lows of 10,168, retracing all of the losses from Wednesday's sell-off. Okay, dude, we're going to look at this. I'm going to show you a little strategy here you can use to watch. Obviously, you want to watch your candles and you want to watch your P&L, but you also can hit the sell here and bring the box open to watch your price execution here, okay, while you're watching that, and you can immediately hit your confirm to exit, okay? We're going to look at this trade, hopefully to exit this trade at least 30% here. If not, we're going to go ahead and take it on the way down, watching this level and watching here. So we're going to confirm and exit this trade here in the 450 range, which is the top end really of the day. And watch and see if it comes down. We're going to we'll execute at 450. We'll let it run higher than 450. We still got green candles here. We want to stay above this 28% level. But again, tomorrow is option expiration Friday. Expect the market to be very, very tumultuous tomorrow, okay? Because a lot of these options that are expiring tomorrow were purchased in the 11,400 to 12,000 range. They will be liquidated. That will put a lot of pressure on Bitcoin tomorrow. And we could see what I see today and what I've been calling in the group is a run up today in Bitcoin post yesterday's sell off due to Fed interest rates, jobless claims at 840,000. But we typically see a run up on the eve of options Friday, okay? And that's really what we're seeing with direction up today. It's a kind of a bipolar response really to really the sell off yesterday, bookended with option expiration. We're still right here at 1050. We're still not at 10,450. We're still going to let this run a little bit, see if we can. Okay, there we are. We're going to watch that candle. We're going to confirm. We're going to exit this out at 25%. Now, we still have a leverage down, all right? So now we do not have any up calls, up entries right now. We're going to watch for this to fall back down. Remember, we're at our highs today, okay? So we're going to watch this, expect the sellers to come back in. If the bulls decide to continue to take this forward, we'll hop in with an entry. But it really, we've kind of gotten away, busted through the 10,400 level like we called on today from earlier. We traded in that 10,350 to 415 range for about 3 hours. Expect the sellers to come in here and try and take folks take a little bit of profit here like we did. Although it could change, it could continue to go higher, but we'd really like to get back in here with a trade here down in the 5 to 18 range, another up entry if we can as we exited that trade. But we can see it actually is climbing a little higher here. We'll see what happens if we go sideways here. But still, we put about 27, 28% in our wallet on an easy trade off of the 10,400 level straddle, okay? If we get back to 10,500, that's a huge, huge sign. Remember, most of those options that are expiring tomorrow were all purchased north of 11,200 to 11,400. So we could see a run up. We really could. It has happened before on option expirations, okay? And there's millions of options that are sitting, and a lot of those options are sell options, okay? But which means they've got to be buying back at those levels, right? And liquidating those contracts at those levels, okay? So we're going to go ahead and sit here and play this out here. We've got to run. We got out a little, but again, we got out of 28%, and you can't argue with that, okay? And now it's going to start to come back. We're going to see some pressure here in the next few candles here, and we'll take a look at it. Hopefully, we'll be able to get another entry up. We'll have to pay attention to this and see how strong these candles are. Play that. We've got the down support. If we do get another sell down, we also can buy up our leverage on our down, bring it back into the 400 range to capture that when it comes. That's a move here I'm going to make here myself here in a few minutes. Raise this level up to about 10,420, which is our baseline launch point.